Thinking about cruising with Carnival for the first time? Whether you're ready for all the fun or you just wanted to avoid rookie mistakes, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the ultimate tips I follow to ensure that your trip is stress-free and unforgettable. If you didn't know, Carnival Cruise Line is all about fun, from endless food to very exciting activities. But to truly enjoy your trip, there are a few things you need to know before you go. In this video, I'll walk you through everything, from booking and packing to enjoying the ship like a pro. First off, let's talk all things preparation. Book early to snag great deals, and don't forget to download the Carnival Hub app. It's your guide to activities, dinner reservations, and more. Also, I suggest that you pack smart. Make sure that you wear comfy clothes and shoes, pack you some swimwear, and a formal outfit for elegant night are must-haves. Don't forget sunscreen and a refillable water bottle. I like to bring my canteen. On embarkation day, get there at your selected time. This will set you up for success. Make sure that you pack a small carry-on with the essentials so you can keep your hands free, and your luggage might take a little while to get to your room. Don't skip the muster drill. It is essential. Once aboard, take time to explore. Familiarize yourself with the main dining room, the pools, and entertainment venues. Your sail and sign card is your room key and your onboard wallet, so be mindful of what you spend. Even in the casino, Wi-Fi is available, but it's kind of slow, and in my experience, it was a bit buggy and lagging. So if you can, consider unplugging and relaxing a bit. As a content creator, that's not always possible, but do your best, enjoy yourself, and fully immerse yourself in the cruising experience. Dining and entertainment. Carnival's food is legendary, so don't stick to just the buffet. Try the main dining room for a more relaxed experience, or specialty restaurants like the steakhouse if you're celebrating something special. Don't miss the live shows, trivia, or deck parties. They're all a part of the Carnival magic. I myself did Family Feud, had an amazing time. Try it out, it was an experience. I suggest that. Debarkation and pro tips. When it's time to leave, know your options. Self-assist lets you carry your bags and leave faster. But if you have heavy luggage, opt for checked debarkation. Always return to the ship on time during your port days. Trust me, you don't want to be left behind. Finally, be kind to the crew. It's just common sense. And if it's not common sense, let's just make sure that it is. They work incredibly hard and can make your trip even better with a little appreciation. Most importantly, make sure that you have fun. Carnival lives up to its name of being the fun ship, regardless of what anybody else says. So now you're ready to sail like a pro. Got any cruise tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with a fellow first-time cruiser. Until next time, stay uncommon and keep on exploring.